What's up, friends? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a job post on online jobs page. Now, if you have a new account or if you just create an account, you'll be able to go through the phase of posting a job right here. So you'll click on post a job at the top and you will be able to fill in the job title. You can type in the type of employment if you want as well right here. Then you fill in your description. You don't want to go ahead and put in the wage or salary that could be per month, or it could also be a hourly rate if you want to use that. And yeah, you can go ahead and you can describe, the desired number of hours per week, the email address. You can go ahead and you can add a new email right here for the job post, or just use the existing one. It's really up to you. Then of course the contact person, you can also change this as well if you want to, and you can add in skills right here. The notifications, I recommend that you choose how you want the notifications to be done and then click and post the job. Once you post the job, you will see that the job is shown up on your homepage right here. So you can find your job posts and you can see them. Here's the status of the job post to see if it's active or it's paused. So you also want to keep an eye on that. Here you can see the number of hits, people who are seeing the job, and the number of applicants. Number of applicants, you can either click this to see the applicants, or you can scroll to the top and go into messages, and you'll be able to see all the messages of the applicants that you have. So you'll be able to see all the applicants here, all the messages here, and you'll be able to go through those and to see what they're actually saying. These are basically people who are replying to your job post, saying that they would like to work and so forth and so forth, right? And so you can choose from there to reply and all this stuff. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.